Thanks for tuning in, guys. Back with another hot sauce test. Hayden's joining me again tonight. So, this one we attempted last week. It was a bit of a disaster. It's another lot from the Hot One Seasons 22. We were meant to be doing De Balm Evolution. This one. I was really looking forward to this one. But when we broke the seal off, the bottle's actually broken. Must got broken somewhere along the lines before I got here, but it definitely wasn't broken here. So that one's not happening because there could be glass shards in there. I ain't risking that. So then we attempted this one. This one was Dawson's hot sauce. And halfway through this one, the camera switched off. So it's got a wax seal on it, and you'll be able to see that it's already been open, and now you know why. Because we had a shit run. But we're going to attempt it again tonight. Hopefully everything goes to plan this time. So this one, the ingredients is red pepper, 7-pot mash, garlic, sugars, maple syrup, vinegar extract, virgin olive oil, sambuca, fennel seed, ghost peppers and sea salt. Heat rating is 9 out of 10, or according to, where are we? This one, it is the second hottest one in the whole box, which is 620,000 Scoville. So it should be pretty warm. Give it one last shake. Alright, let's do this again, eh?
Again.
Oh, I don't remember it smelling like that last week. That's a strong smell.
Stronger?
It's a really bright orange. I think it's the sambuca.
Seeds?
It's the sambuca and the fennel I can smell there, I reckon.
It's the same thing.
It's like an aniseed.
Smells the same to me.
Yeah? Must have been just because I opened it. It was potent. Alright, let's have a look. It's,
Still chunky.
she's pretty thick and chunky.
That hasn't changed. It kind of smells like the... I reckon I said it last time. It smells like the buffalo sauce on here.
The buffalo sauce that I didn't enjoy.
It smells exactly the same.
Alright, it's glowing. Actually, it's pretty thick. I can turn the spoon like that. Oh, nearly.
Yeah, good one. Oh, shit.
Oh, he's loaded.
Yeah, not good.
Ready to rock.
There's a bit about a drip. Can we hurry this
Alright,
up?
this is Dawson's hot sauce. Cheers.
Yep.
So straight up, you definitely get the sambuca. Taste. Oh, it's pretty potent.
Tastes good though.
Good on the hiccups.
The signature.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Like that.
Can't talk. God dang it. Hiccups. Wow. So as I'm trying to say,
Yep, you were saying?
I'm definitely getting the Zambuca. Definitely getting the heat. Jesus. When does that Zambuca flavour subside a bit? Kind of had an orange taste to me.
I reckon it was more like peachy.
Peachy, I was getting like a fruity sort of orange. There's definitely nothing in there that should give you that flavour.
I don't think it was acidic enough to be
Not getting
orange.
Yeah, I reckon.
No. Don't get me wrong, there was like a slight vinegar taste, but it wasn't enough.
Definitely getting the 7 pot and the ghost pepper heat. That is cooking. Christ.
Got you worse than me.
Nose is running. Hiccups just wait, give me a break. Footy's on.
Mine sort of peaked.
Plenty of drool. Not getting the garlic. Geez, I wish these hiccups would go. Smash me. What was that other one that goes hiccups?
Ring paste?
No.
Are we talking more
Oh,
recent?
was that liquid sun?
Which one, huh?
Remember we did liquid sun?
No,
Maybe that was me on my own.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, that might have just been me. I couldn't stop hiccuping. Got the same effect from this one. Still going. Yeah, so the heat's peaked. Hiccups haven't.
It's got you worse than me for you.
It has.
Change.
It's wrecking me. Just won't lay off. Flavour. I'm liking the flavours. The Sambuca was really strong straight up. Then it subsided a bit. Got a bit of an orangey flavour for me. Now I've just kind of got like a nice sweet, just a sweet fruity flavour now. What are you getting going on there, mate?
Flavour wise?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's like. I mean, it's fruity. It's like an artificial fruit flavour. It doesn't taste like it's just straight fruit, like proper fruit. It's artificial to me.
Yeah. That's all you had out of the whole thing?
There was slight vinegar. I didn't get the garlic really.
You got the
And
fennel on there at the start though? And
I don't even know what that is, mate. So I couldn't tell you. I probably did. Just don't know it.
Alright, so heat. Got up there pretty quick. I'll give it a 6. 6 for heat. I'll give it a 5 for hiccups. I was definitely kicking my ass with the hiccups.
Only a 5.
Yeah, I suppose it should have been more like a 9 for hiccups, eh?
Yeah.
Don't really have a hiccup meter, but it was up there. What was your heat range?
Probably about an 8. 8, around that.
8.
Maybe a 7.
Can't have been too hot. You didn't go the milk.
Nah, I held off this time.
I'm going to give this 5 beers. 'Cause I'm going to need to drown the hiccups too. They're haunting me. Fucking hiccups. Overall, I didn't mind it. I think that'll go good on some dishes.
I reckon like chicken or something.
Yeah, chicken. Even it'd be a good stir fry one. Not really sure what else, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. I could probably just do that on a bicky with a few beers on a Saturday night. Yeah, that's it. Finally got this one done. Second attempt. That is Dawson's hot sauce. That was tonight's review. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Till next time, cheers. Catches.